Hi everyone, welcome back. So we've done our knitting and we have got our rows here. So when you're just knitting a row, you get the ridges, which is called garter stitch. So if you knit 5 rows, that would in the knit stitch, that's a garter stitch. So today we're going to look at purl. So if you get your needles and your yarn, for purling you want the yarn in front of the needle, in front of the right hand. So for your knitting it was behind, so you would go in behind, whereas for your purl you want it in front, and you'll go in the top of the stitch, so in the top here. And then you want to take your yarn, wrap it, so you've got that wrapped, you can see that, and then come down and over and pull your stitch off, and that's your purl stitch. So you're going in through the top and making sure that your yarn's in the front, wrapping that around, going in and then pulling it off. So I'll do that a few more times. And a purl stitch creates your ridge the same as if you were just knitting every row. So we will carry on. So you're going in through the top, round and out through the bottom. So that is your purl stitch. So if you want to do a few of those, do a couple of rows just in purl. That will help you practice that when we get to the end. And then next time I'll show you what stocking stitch looks like, so that you know the different types of knitting.